Hello and welcome to the tutorial on learning numbers. In this tutorial we're going to go through comparing different numbers. Let's begin with our first example. Suppose let's just write down A for the first example. We've got these two numbers. Put a comma here. And the other number is so those are our two sets of numbers. On the left hand side we have 938,407. 938,407. On the right hand side we've got 308,999. So what symbol do you think goes in the middle between these two? Which number is larger, which number is smaller? On the right hand side we're just going to write down the three different symbols we can use in yellow over here. This one means less than, we've got equals, and more than or greater than. So how do we work this out? Well, we always start with the digit on the left. First, count how many digits there are. How many are there? Well, in total there are 6 digits. How many has the other number got? That's also got 6 digits. So if they've both got the same number of digits, and digit by digits we mean this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if they've got both the same digits, it's simple. Start with the number on with the digit on the left of both. In this case it is this one here, a 9, and over here we've got a 3. These digits are the hundred thousands. So we're comparing the hundred thousands. Now which one is larger? Is it 9 or 3? Well, that's simple. The larger one is 9. Therefore the arrow looks like this. Don't forget, it has to point to the smaller number. 9 is greater than 3. Now all the other digits, in this case you've got, let me just change colors for this. Here for example we've got 38407, and over here we've got 08999. They don't matter. It makes no difference what they are. 900,000 is greater than 300,000. So the arrow looks like this. Okay. We're now going to move on to our second example. This time we've got 126,342. On this side we have 187,726. Now again, count the digits first. The one on the left has got 6 digits, and the one on the right has also got 6 digits. Okay, now what do? We start with the digit on the left for both of them. In this case it's the 1 over here, and it's the 1 over here. Now 1 and 1 is the same. Now what do? We move to the digit on the right. We're not looking at 100,000, we're looking at the 2 over here. Do you see the 2? And over here we've got 8. The 1 and the 1 were the same, but here the 2 and the 8 are different. If they are different, that means we can work out which one is larger and which one is smaller. So we're looking at 2 and 8. Which one is larger, 2 or 8? Well, that's nice and simple. 8 is larger. So therefore the arrow points this way. Now which digit did we compare? We compared the 2, didn't we? And that was the 10,000s. So the 100,000s were the same, but the 10,000s were different. Okay, we're going to work through the next one, and you will get the hang of the pattern we are using to work out which one is larger and which one is smaller. Okay, this one we've got 465,827, and the other number is 466,120. Now you have a go at this. Can you work out which is larger and which is smaller? Remember, first count the number of digits. Well, we know there's 6. That's straightforward. Next, look at the digit on the left. Okay, we're going to start here. Actually, we'll just start from the bottom here. The 4 over here, we compare that with the 4 over here. They're exactly the same. So the 100,000s are exactly the same. Both have got 400,000. Okay, let's switch colors. And we move to the digit on the right. Here we've got 6. We're going to compare this 6 with the next one to it on this side. So this is the 10,000s. Here we've got 10,000s. Now the 6 and the 6 are the same. Both numbers have got 60,000. So we still cannot work out which number is larger and which one is smaller. So now we move to the digit on its right. Here, now we look at the 5. This is the thousands. We compare this 1,000 with the 1,000 over here. Now on this side we've got, on the left hand side we've got 5, on the right hand side we've got 6. That means we can work out which is larger and which is smaller. 5 over here is smaller than the 6 over here. So therefore the arrow is pointing this way. It points at the smaller number. Now again, the rest of this, it doesn't matter what it is. 5,000 is smaller than 6,000. Okay. I hope you're getting the hang of this. Let's have a look at one more. This time round we've got this number here, and I want you to work it out this time. Now the simple way to do this is, first of all, start with the number on the digit on the left. They've both got 6 digits. Start with the digit on the left, and we're going to do this one quickly. This 8 is the same as this 8 over here. So we can't work out which is larger and which is smaller. Let's move to the next one. We've now got the 10,000s. One over here, we compare it with exactly the same digit here. They're both 10,000s. 1 and 1 are the same. So we can't work out which is larger and which is smaller. The next one, over here we've got 7. We're now comparing the thousands. The 7 and the 7 are exactly the same. So we still can't work out which is larger and which is smaller. Let's keep going. On the other side of the comma, we're now comparing the hundreds. We've got 6 here, and we move across and we're comparing the digit to the right of the comma here. They've both got 6. Exactly the same. Okay, we keep going until we find 2 digits that are different. We're now comparing the tens. We've got 4 here, and we go across and we've got 4 here. Again, they are exactly the same, so we still can't work out which number is larger and which is smaller. Or maybe the numbers are the same. Finally, we compare the very last digit, the units, and we take this across here and we compare the units here. So now we've got 5 and 2. They are different. That means we can work out which is larger and which is smaller. 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2, or you can say 5 is more than 2. Therefore, the number on the left, 817,645, is more than 817,642. That is how we compare numbers.